Hello, right, so we are about to try and install this beast into my little car, which is a what is it? It's a Suzuki Swift Sport. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to run the main power cable, which, hang on a second, which I've got a bag of bits here from the actual battery, because I'm going to give it a battery power to the actual battery rather than it taking it all out of the stereo. Right, so I won't lie, it's a bit of a ball ache because I haven't got an aftermarket block at the back of my head unit. I've got the original block, which was sold with the aftermarket head unit that I've got to actually match the car, which most these days are sort of done like that, and it's a direct connection. So I've had to chop a lot of the wires. I have crimped and wrapped them in tape, so it doesn't look very pretty, but you can have a look. There we go. So you can just see the back and all the lovely wires, and that's crimped and wrapped. Everything is being crimped and wrapped. I've got loads of crimping thingy-me-bobs here, so that is what I'm using, and my crimpers. So I haven't been able to get power from the outside of the car, because I can find no way in through the bulkhead, which I'm going to have to look into, but it's going to get its power through the actual head unit, so hopefully that will be enough for the moment, and later on down the line I'll sort out an actual power supply from the battery. I have given it an earth directly there just to make sure it's a good connection, so that's better than just going through the standard bit that I can't find anywhere. Anyway, I'll give you an update in a minute. Right, hello. I have got it connected. Sounds pretty good. I think my stereo is an issue because hardly anything comes out of the rear speakers. And I don't think that's the way I've wired it up. I just don't know, but the sound comes great through the front one, so it doesn't really matter. So let's turn it on. I'm probably going to have to turn it down. Let's have you like that. So the unit is powering up. It's all powered up, and then here is the amp down here. Got a little light on saying it's powered up. It's a tiny little thing. I forgot to bring my double-sided tape out. Yeah, it looks alright. It sounds alright. I guess it's going to be okay. Only time will tell. Sorry I didn't give you a bit more in depth of me installing this, because it was an absolute ball ache. It really was. It wasn't nice and easy. It will be easy if you've got an aftermarket radio with, hang on, these sort of plugs in, or the female side to it, I believe. I can't remember which side. No, with those bits, it'll work for you, because it will plug straight into that. But didn't work for me. Literally had to cut all of that out just to get it to work with my system, because I've got an aftermarket radio but with a factory harness. Okay, so thanks for watching.